Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today we have a Protech Evo Compact tracked post knocker in. It has a expanding track on one side, and it's basically cracked the box section that sort of guides it, and the bracket holds the ram on that side, as you can see in the video here. As you can see, I've been working upside down here. It's gone right to the bottom of the box section, and the bracket holds the ram. So I welded all the crack now. It's basically cracked right there, right round, and up the other side. Not sure if you can see it there. It's actually cracked up into a box section there. You see right up here into a box section. And I've reached in and put some weld on top of the plate as well. So I welded up the cracks when I added these two plates. This bottom one runs right over here, so it overlaps the crack all the way across and ties in this box as well to here. So it'll be a lot stronger than it was.
What I reckon you'd call that a proper agricultural job.
So job done now. I did cover the rams in cardboard for starting grinding and welding to save chrome in. And I kept a couple of buckets of water handy in case something went to lighten. So oh yeah, and I ground that down a bit more deeper because it might foul here. There's a bit of gap there. So I gave it all a coat of red oxide, and I've given a coat of this matte black now. So she's done. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.